Okay. Are y'all hearing this? This just started happening and it's not stopped. It sounds like an airplane, but it's not. And it sounds like it's everywhere above us, but I can't see anything. We're in Lake Charles, Louisiana, 916 Audubon Drive. It's about 8:45 p.m. Sounds a lot like the ionospheric white noise stuff that you hear in space. It's very strange. It was coming in spurts, just like that does. I don't see any planes, or there's a lot more stars out than we have been seeing. It's very strange. It's going on about 10 minutes now. It started out in little spurts. Oh, star just came out of nowhere. People are honking down the road. I don't know if they can see something better. Oh, by the way, it's coming from towards Texas, the east, southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. And it's definitely coming from the Texas side. Here it comes again. It sounds like bands of wind hitting against each other. Almost sounds like a train, but it's not. Definitely not. No trains that close around here. I hope it's not a nuclear weapon or a plant on fire. I'm gonna have to ask Paul Begley, when you get this video, figure this one out for me. Or Jeff Ishner in Austin. Tell me what this is. Notice the sound is not getting closer or further away. You can't see this on my film, but there are some stars that keep appearing and disappearing. This is freaking strange. My dogs are tripping. What is it, Teddy? What is it, baby bear? What the hell is this? It's okay, baby. Okay, it sounds like it's getting closer a little bit. Shh. What the heck is that? Hush. Hush, Hillary. Hillary, stop. What in the world? I hate to go inside and stop recording, but I'm going to leave the phone out here. I need to go check on the house. Paul, stay listening to this. It's like been 20 minutes now. Okay, we have definite starving. Just like last night that me and JC saw. They're in different places than they should be. I'm at 916 Audubon. I'm looking northeast from my yard, my backyard. The sound's coming from, it seems like